guys, welcome to another episode of Hub Fuel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can incorporate Canva designs within your HubSpot assets. To start, if we navigate to marketing and then email, from here we can create a new email, and I'm going to create this as a regular email for now. I'm going to select my template and get taken to the drag and drop builder. In order to incorporate a Canva design, I can drag and drop an image module into the email builder and then click select image. In the bottom right hand corner, we have this design with Canva option. If I click on this, I can select the size of the image in question. So on this occasion, I'm going to select banner. And what this will do is it will load up Canva for us. Now it might prompt you to log in, but if you're already logged into Canva, you can then select the banner in question. So on the left hand side, I'm going to select this banner and then I'm going to select save. It's going to prepare my design for me. And once it's saved, it'll then be available within our recent images. If I then select this image, that'll input it into my email. And from here, I can fill out the rest of my email copy and then publish it. That's how we add Canva designs to HubSpot assets. Thanks for watching, guys. Speak to you all next time.